Hello everyone, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headband pad on your Bose QuietComfort 15 headset. Now you can also, it's the same procedure for the Bose QuietComfort 2 headset as well. As you can see, these headphones are in rough shape, been beat up pretty badly, crumbs falling apart, and we're going to bring this headset back to life again. First, you start by unscrewing the screws here on these brackets right there. It's a small Phillips screwdriver. Comes out. That's what it looks like when you take them off. Just like that. Then grab a small sharp knife or scissors I have here, and you want to cut it out. Be very careful not to cut any wires in there. So if you cut around by the foam, you're good. Just like that. Remove that piece. Get that out of here. That's what it looks like when it's removed. No cuts in the wire. Okay. And I have an aftermarket headband pad kit that we actually sell at Central Sound. Bose does not manufacture these or sell these. Comes with the pad, the soft leather type material. Very comfortable, flexible, versatile. Comes with new brackets and screws that you're going to need, and instructions. Okay. So first thing we need to do is trim down this plastic piece inside. I'm going to pull it out. And right here, there's this plastic piece. It needs to be trimmed down, I'd say probably about a quarter of an inch. About like that. You want to do that on both sides, and you can just push it right back in just like that. Okay. There's a little bit of foam on the other side, and that just goes right back in. Okay. And we're good. It has this zipper piece here, which is what we're going to use to secure it. I use a little screwdriver to stick in here. Just pull it. Okay. And it's securely on there. That's what it looks like. That's what they look like. These are brackets that we sell. Okay. One with the rounded edge like this. Kind of looks like a bubble. That is going to go right, line it up to about right there. See where there's the little grooves in the metal? And you put this in there like that. Okay. Just kind of push all this stuff, any excess material in like this. Push it in and kind of hold it there. This is what it looks like when it's put together. Everything's flush. Okay, see that? So I did not put the screws in yet. I'm just holding it in place at the moment. So the kit also comes with screws. Okay. So as I'm holding with my thumb, you screw them in. Okay. Now it's secure. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty much the same thing on the other side also. Right here where the zipper part is, you got to make sure that you use this part. That's what that bubble is there for. You put the zipper piece inside that bubble. Then, once again, push all the excess material inside. See the screw holes right there? Make sure that you can get to those. Then grab the other bracket piece, which is this one. This is the tricky part. Okay, there we are. Lined up like that. And take a few attempts to try to get this right. Most likely. It is a little tricky, but it is effective and it's a good headband pad and it does work, so keeping it together, screwing it in with the other. It's in there, secure. There we go. And that's what it looks like when it's done. Not bad. Certainly looks much better than that old headband pad. Very secure. It's clamped in there good. It'll definitely stay there. And that's it. Hope you learned something new, and if you do need to purchase a kit like this for your Bose QuietComfort 15, also works for QuietComfort 2. There's a link in the description.